Hi, here is the Canon 2F2 overall conditions. It's quite good and new. And here's the lens, and here's the aperture. You can switch it, and to see which aperture you currently at is see the dot at here. Yeah. Okay. Next is here is the focus ring. Now it's locked, so you need to press it to release it. After that, by twisting the film, the lens, you will see here is the inside of the camera, and here's the shutter curtain. And I wouldn't recommend you touch it or something like that. Then you just let it like this and close it. Next thing, by twisting the bottom part here to open it. Okay, and this one is the inside of the compartment lah. Yeah. And you can see here, it will ask you to cut your film, then only you load the film. Wow, I use another way, which I have used the double-sided tape to stick at here. Then I mesh with my film together, so that I only cut my film, then I can get more peaks compared to others. Wait, need to mesh properly. That, then put the film in at here. Okay, put as much as you can lah, although it will stuck or something, so just push until like this, then we load the film. Okay. Load like this. But sometimes it might come out or something if you didn't insert properly, but it's okay. Then just push it, then okay, press it and make sure that it's locked at here, then twist. So when now you can load the film, means that it's okay to already, so you can start shooting. Yeah. Especially when you load, when you wind the film, look at here. It will move together, which means that it's okay already. Yeah. Then about the ISO setting, actually this film camera is fully auto and fully manual. Sorry. So it doesn't have any built-in light meter, and I would recommend you use the phone apps to control with it. Yeah. Example, now the film I use is 400 ISO, then here I set it at 400 will do. And if you want to take straight photography, then maybe I would recommend you just fix your shutter speed at 10250 or 500. You need to like pull to change or switch the shutter speed. Yeah. Okay, now it's 250. Then all the way, you just aim to the thing that you want to shoot. And yeah, the aperture is f4, then I just adjust my aperture to f4, then shoot, like that will do. Okay, then here we'll show how many shots you have took lah, and you can change it. Wait Okay. Because this is a little bit difficult to switch. Okay. Wait You need to like press this and turn it to 0. Okay, like that. Then it's a film counter lah. It will move a bit every time you turn it. Yeah, you see. Then here, the top here is the ISO setting. It actually is a reminder only lah. It's to let you know that what film you're using, so that you won't have wrong setting at here. But this camera is until 200 ISO only, so you just ignore it will do. Then next thing is to shoot. Then here is the viewfinder setting, magnifier. This is full frame, while this camera, the full frame is quite hazy, so the clearance is this ×1. You can see like it's better. and you found out at the center point there got a yellow thing. When you match, when you aim to the object, you see there will like a split image or something. So you just adjust your focus to let the split image align together, which means that it's focused. But if it's too near, then you cannot lah, because the minimum I think is like 0.8 meter or 1 meter only. Yeah. Okay, so here is when you want to set the shutter speed, just pull it up, turn it like that. And if you want like slower shutter speed, 1 second to 30, then you switch to this red thing. Then you adjust at here. This is 1 second, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/15, and 1/30. Okay. Yeah. Then it will be slower lah, the shutter speed. And this one is 1/15. Okay. Then if you want to shoot at bulk mode, also can. Turn to B will do. Then you just click. Yeah. How long you press the shutter, then how long the shutter will be open for the bulk mode lah. Okay. This is for like long exposure. It's better you match with the shutter cable. Yeah. And the overall is actually like this only. And just this you need to like practice or something. If you shoot straight, your shutter speed or ISO is fixed one. Then all the way you just adjust the aperture will do. It's much easier lah. While today, if you want to shoot portrait or some close-up shooting, this camera aperture is until 1/8. Then maybe you can adjust to 2 lah. Yeah. And yeah, you see here's got a lock, which is it will fix this 2, and it will switch between to the object you aim or the light source. Yeah. If I aim like brighter place, it will have a higher shutter speed. If it's too high, because this camera is until 1/500, then just increase, smaller down your aperture will do. Yeah, then will reduce. So overall it's like this. And here's the viewfinder. You just aim and shoot. Yeah. Oh, now it's at B mode. That turn. Like that will do. And when you shoot finish, how to know whether you shoot finish or not? You just wind until like you feel there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore, then you stop it. And twist here to the R, which is rewind. Then now you can pull it up and turn it. Turn until like become loose or something like. Okay, like that. Then open it and pull it up. Yeah, see. Okay, like that. Then you just take out this and take your film. Take out the double side tape also lah. Take to develop will do. Yeah. This, press it down, and here turn back to the A. Like that. So overall it's like this. If you have any question, do comment below and let me know.